it's your girl Sharon. It's your girl Sharon. Thank you all for pressing on this video. By the title of this video, you guys can see that we're making some delicious pound cake. The funny thing is, if you keep on eating this cake, you're probably gonna gain some pounds. Haha. But that's a whole other story. But if you guys are interested, just keep on watching the video for the recipe. Keep on watching. Y'all are excited, right? Aren't y'all excited for the video? Aren't y'all excited? Okay, tough crowd, but keep on watching it and let me know what you guys think about this recipe. Bye! We're going to start by creaming our unsalted butter. Make sure your butter is room temperature. You're going to add your sugar about half a cup at a time and mix. So you add half a cup, mix, add half a cup, mix until all your sugar is done. Make sure your eggs are also at room temperature. You're going to add your eggs one egg at a time until all your eggs are mixed. So I added one egg, mixed thoroughly, then I added another egg, mixed thoroughly until all my eggs were finished. Now you're going to add your vanilla and you're going to mix thoroughly. You're going to add your baking powder and your salt to your flour, and then you're going to mix it all together. You're going to alternate between your flour and your milk. So I added flour, mixed, and I added milk and I mixed until they were both finished. Your cake batter should look like this. I'm setting my oven on 325 degrees and spraying my pan. I put my batter in the pan, and another pan I filled it up with water. This water is going to help your cake stay moist. So when I bake my cake, I put the water pan right under it because this is going to help your cake stay nice and moist. I baked my cake for about an hour and 20 minutes. Just keep your eye on it, and I used a toothpick to check if it was cooked or not. Remember, if your toothpick is clear, that means it is, and if it's not clear, that means you need to bake it for a longer time. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video. I hope you like the content. Please let me know what I can do better, what I can bake next, what I can cook next. Here, you want some? You can't have some, gotta bake one of your own. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Until we meet again, bye. What is this? Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm.